Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take multiple photos in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to take multiple photos in Samsung at once, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone camera. Then once you open it, click on these 4 dots, then click on settings. Just make sure you go to your Samsung phone camera settings. Now scroll down, click on swipe shutter button 2, then select take burst shot. Now, to take multiple photos on your Samsung, all you simply need to do is press and hold the shutter button and then drag it down. Then you should see your number of photos taken like this. Now, if you open the camera, you can see we've taken like 30 different photos. So this is going to allow you to take multiple photos or pictures on your Samsung phone at once. And then you are good. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.